I wanted to show you guys another project that fell in my lap recently. This is a 1999 Chaparral 1930 SS, and I originally was gonna fix this for my neighbors. I never saw it before, but they wanted to sell it to me, so I ended up buying it. I got it for $2,000, but as you can see, it needs a lot of work. Just really needs cleaned up, needs new carpet. That's nasty. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna walk you guys through the entire process. If this is your first time watching, go ahead, head over to the Slick Shifts YouTube channel. Check out our other content. We have motorcycle build. We do a little bit with cars. We do work on airplanes as well. But right now we're doing boats. And here's some videos from what we have done recently. Now, I see you guys asking in the comments, Mac, where are you from? What's your background, man? I can tell you guys this. I did get stationed down here about 3 years ago in the military, and that kind of fueled my passion for cars, boats, trucks, you name it. But the whole point of this channel is to make money, start a business, work on projects, and inspire people, and show you guys can do it. So we're either gonna fail or we're gonna succeed, and I can tell you this, failure isn't an option. So let's get after the boat. The first step here is we're gonna rip these seats out, we're gonna rip the seat pedestals out, and we're gonna rip the carpet out as well. Hey guys, everything's going pretty easy so far. I got the seats ripped out, as you guys just saw. Boom, boom, I got this centerpiece ripped out, and there is this like jelly stuff, and I don't know if this is like a boat material they have, or there's like glue leaking from all the rain. I don't know if it's organic, but when I ripped it up, a bunch of flies came out of nowhere, and it kind of attacked my face, but it's all good. But this boat project, I think the next step for the boat project, we're gonna go ahead and rip all this carpet out, and then once that carpet's ripped out, we're gonna pressure wash it. So let's get after it. So I'm about to rip this carpet out. I don't know what's gonna be under this carpet. Whenever I bought this boat, I opened up this engine hatch and a cat flew out at me. That was pretty good. Things like to fly in my face with this boat, so hopefully there's not something crazy under this carpet, and it's probably gonna be really nasty, so let's check it out. Boys, this is stupid. All right, boys, carpet's removed. That sucked in the Florida humidity, but as you can see, I got it all out. Fiberglass bottom. There's no damage, so I'm pretty happy about that. Less work for me, less time, more money. The only other thing I'm worried about is all right there. I don't know if I'm gonna rip that and replace it. I might just get some of that fabric dye and clean that up and then spray it. But Let's see, there's only 2 things left. I'm gonna open the engine bay, show you guys that, and there's some stuff in there I gotta clean out, as well as, I didn't know about this guy right here. You like turn it. All right, in there, I gotta clean all that out too. I like to get everything out before I start deep cleaning the boat, so I'm gonna clean it out and it's time to start pressure washing. I just wanted to show you guys the old carpet real quick. I laid it out like this because I took all my measurements and I have to order the carpet tonight so it's ready to go, so we stay on schedule. But you can just see how nasty that is and where the old seats were at. I'm sure you guys saw when I was removing the seats. That's what it used to look like. But man, probably got lung issues now. That is rough. Alright guys, this is day 2 of the Chaparral boat project. As you guys saw yesterday, I ripped the carpet out as well as the seats. What's left today? For this video, I just need to vacuum out the boat and I'm gonna pressure wash the whole entire boat, and I'm really excited to see how it cleans up because as you can see, the gel coat's just all oxidized and nasty. And I'm really hoping that pressure washer does the job because my last boat, you guys saw in my last videos, that guy's sitting right over there. I used toilet bowl cleaner, a brush, and magic erasers, and that worked wonders, but I was looking for something a little bit more faster paced because I am logging all my man hours into this project, because whenever I do sell this boat, I want to see how much money I made per hour with this boat. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this out and pressure wash it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right guys, just got done vacuuming. It took me 15 minutes. That was it. It was pretty nasty. Tons of leaves, but I'm gonna show you guys how much leaves there actually was real quick. Oh my gosh. Golly. Nasty. Easy cleanup though. Now that I got all the leaves out, I think it's time to go ahead and pressure wash everything. I did buy a new tool for this project. I'll show you guys real quick. But here it is. Craftsman 3000 max PSI, 2.3 gallons per minute. I'm hoping this is gonna make the boat work go a lot faster. Gotta pressure wash all that. Another cool thing about this, I've never seen a pressure washer with a reservoir on it for detergent, so. Make sure you guys come back next Sunday to see how this boat turns out, because you're not gonna believe how good it looks.